It's raining.
It sure is.
Why are you shaking your head?
Because the whole day is screwed up. Did it wrong.
Yeah, whatever, Tommy.
Whatever.
Don't even put... now you break. Yeah, but if I die and then you have another wife, you still gonna do my anniversary with you? No. What do you want me to say?
Non-genomadisket.
Non-genomadisket. So kayo, nandun siya sa hospital, sa emergency. And maghintay ng 2 hours, something.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Aalis kami. Time check, guys. 7:20 na ng umaga. Ihatid ko lang tong biyanan ko. And then, pagkatapos ko siyang ihatid, hindi ko alam kung pupunta kami sa sa city para mag ng passport renew. So tignan natin, baka mag-renew kami. And yeah, yun, kasi okay na yung mga ko, may mga dadalhin lang dry food. And also guys, meron akong pinapanood lit, akong natulog kagabi guys, para man akong diarrheahin ito kapag may mga plano talaga. Parang yung, yung kaba is naging diarrhea. Kaliba nga. At saka guys, meron akong pinapanood sa Amazon Prime. Kasi meron kaming Prime. And ang pinapanood ko, sabi ni Tami, panoorin mo ha, na bagong series daw yun, bagong, show nila. And kapag member ka ng Amazon Prime, makapanood ka ng maraming movies at saka series. And pinapanood ko siya since yesterday. Ang ganda guys, as in, Hana. You don't go out there. You need to do your poo-poo. Maulan guys. Foggy din Maulan-ulan talaga guys, as in, narinig niyo yung ibon. Masaya sila. Kasi spring na. It's raining.
It sure is.
Just done dropping her off and then go see Tommy, and let's see if we are going to the city.
To college because my mother and the family didn't go to university in Europe. But I knew I wanted to go to college, so I found my way. In those days there were no loans.
Oh my god, katulogon jud ko guys. I was really sleepy. Traffic was so bad. It was because the accident was really far from where I was, and then we've been like, that was like more than 30 minutes, 35 traffic, and I was listening podcast and makes me sleepy. Listening all this old lady talking about their life, stuff like that. But anyway, so let's go see Tommy, and let's see if we're going to the city. And I kinda hungry. Let's go. No traffic here. Curry. Sabi pa ni Biyanan, hindi na daw siya punta sa dialysis kasi na traffic. Sabi ko, marami pa naman tayong oras ba? Hindi naman yan naghanap talaga siya ng rason. But this morning, really, hindi niya ako binigyan ng hard time. But she decided to eat early, very early this morning, like 5 o'clock. I was awake and she was awake and she ate because I was still in bed, but I see the camera because I can hear the camera keep beeping. I can hear it, so I decided to look, and she's there having her coffee, she's having her breakfast, the bread. She eat bread like me all the freaking time. And yun, God, katulugon jud ko guys, as in sleepy jud ko ba. Hi guys, I am here. Yeah, punta sana kami doon sa city, di ba? Lakad na kami. Sana punta na kami. And ang nangyari guys, hindi natuloy kasi yung ko pala is kulang yung yung requirements. Hindi kulang, kailangan naming mag-print. So si Tami nagpi-print dito. Yun, naging tinulungan niya ako pero hindi natuloy yung lakad namin. Another printer na naman siya daw. Daming printer ni Tami, guys. Madamo gid, guys. Kaitan? You have a madamo printer. Your printer is madamo. Madamo kahit siin. Can I sit over here? Sureness. Putahin dali nito. Daming printer na Tami, guys. Naluluka na ako, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit ito nangyayari sa buhay ko, guys. Punta na lang siya sa bahay namin para i-surprise yung 4 dun. And ako na lang magdadala sa biyenan ko sa bahay. Tignan natin kung anong plano niya. Why are you shaking your head? Oh my God, he is shaking his head, guys. Whatever. Why are you shaking your head?
The whole day is screwed up.
Ay, Jesus Christ, Tommy, you know what? Screwed up. You always is screwed up.
Fine. All you have to do is have this stuff ready.
Ready.
Want coffee?
No, thank you. No, never. Don't ask.
Because depression is multiple
Hi.
symptoms. Yeah, time for a change. And your doctor tells you
Look at that, guys. He is like this. Shaky your head.
Yes, guys.
What? Yes,
I
guys.
need to go to the Philippine consulate today, and my wife didn't do the paperwork.
No, Han.
Didn't do the
You are the
paperwork.
one who decided to
Told
do
her
this.
for a week. Make sure you get all the papers, everything you need together. She started last night, and then she read it wrong and did it wrong.
Yeah, whatever, Tommy.
Whatever.
Don't ever, because you know what you are. You plan? No, kidding me? We don't plan this even today. You just surprise me. Yes, you did. You did. You called last night. Okay, go trade your stuff.
Amazingly, you happen to be traveling with your passport, with your.
Because you
marriage
surprised me last
Yeah.
night, and then I was in a hurry.
Last night.
Yeah, you called me.
I did, but she doesn't.
You know what, guys? This is my life. When you're dealing with a guy, husband, that is like this,
What if Kenny were the real
that's why
Who
I
has
have
limited time and wants to use it properly.
a lot
And then
of
I have a
gray
wife
hair.
who says, I got tons of time and I don't care how I use it.
I have a lot of gray hair than my mother. You know that because of my husband.
Uh-huh.
This gray hair because of him.
Excuse me? Time? Who's like my mother? Who
You.
forgets everything? Who presses the wrong things?
Whatever, guys. No, Tommy.
Who changed the ink cartridge and put the black where the color should be, and now we don't have no color ink?
Now, whatever. That don't even put. Now
it's
you bring.
Did you put the black where the color goes?
You bring everything now.
Oh, dear.
Who cheat in this marriage? You. You cheat on this marriage.
I absolutely did not.
Because of that ink. Because you should be doing it, I
You're
mean.
saying who acts like my mother? Who acts like my mother?
Yes, you are, and you are the son.
I don't know that.
You are the son, Tommy. Read your text. Your girlfriend texting you. Go get check.
CVS.
You're right. It's not a CVS.
Well, I'm not. Oh, Sue.
What happened? What is anniversary of mom? For the wedding? So you and oh yeah, because me and your mother have the same. Yeah, because yeah, so my mother-in-law guys get married April 9 and we got married April 10th. And Tommy's friend also got married April 10.
Oh, really?
Yun, so we have the same anniversary. Hi guys, oh my god, ito si Tommy. Binigyan ako ng, hala, ang init guys, ang init dito sa sasakyan. Binigyan ako ng binigyan ako ng sweater. And then sobrang basa. Sabi niya, nilabhan ko to sa'yo to. Nilagay sa bag, garbage. Sinong naglabay dyan? Sabi ko, sinong nagtapo ng ano na yan? Akin yan pa kasi yung kapatid niya babae. Tinapo na naman yung mga damit ko. Hindi ko man alam. Mahilig kasi yun magtapon. Tinapon yung damit ng ina niya. Mga okay pa. Yun, mag-lipstick tayo.
I watched it last night instead of sleeping. So now all the stuff that Andrew threw out, because she forgets she eats and she'll eat again, and so no.
So it's my mother's anniversary with her husband, right? You still have that thing, huh? That even though she died,
Yes.
you still have to do that anniversary thing.
Yes.
So if I die, you still have anniversary even if you have wife?
Yes.
No. Don't lie to me.
That's still our anniversary.
Yeah, but if I die and then you have another wife, you still gonna do my anniversary with you? No.
Well, I'm not gonna take her out to dinner for our anniversary. No, hon.
That hurts me already. That you have another wife. It's only me.
I'll be dead long before you. Who are you kidding?
It's just me.
At the rate we're going, we're lucky I make it through the year.
Han, don't even say that. Tommy, we're driving. So we have to get a card. Traffic man guys, oy. It's traffic. Back na kami guys sa card section. Nandito pa yung mga banban oh. Hi mga banban. Diyan muna kayo ha. Iwan muna kita. Anniversary. Mom's anniversary. There is a like mother anniversary han. Hanap tayo dito guys. Meron tayong hanapin. Doon tayo sa mga makeup section. Meron lang tayong tignan. Hindi tayo bibili. Tignan natin ha. Wala, ano to guys? Han, what is this han? Hold on te. Han. What is that?
Man.
Han, what is that?
I don't know.
May baligya pala sila dito guys oh. Nag-vlog ko te. Puta back. Han, I said.
I know you said that. That's why I tell you.
Okay, take 5.
Okay.
Han.
Only coconut.
Gahi manig ulo. Uy, gahi ulo ba? Gahi manig ulo han. Tignan nyo to guys. Hey. Hoy. We're done. You know what my husband got?
Yeah, they're not very good.
Because you're
Like
always...
stale coconut.
Because I told you not to get it.
Well, I like coconut, but it's like stale coconut.
You can get better than coconut, like, you know, whatever.
I make better ones.
What better ones?
What? I make better ones.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're right, you can make your own.
I did. I don't do it
Really?
anymore, yeah.
The meat.
Yeah, I have to cook it.
How can we do it? I thought,
Sausage, but
I thought
every
you were
time I buy
making...
sausage for the other house, you don't give it to me. You just like hide it.
Hide
So I
it.
never have sausage.
Oh my god, seems like Han, it's very like healthy, Han.
You're like, oh, you don't want you to have it.
Okay, we're gonna do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I have to clean the grill before burn the house, or we have to move the grill down before we have to start grilling. Guys, Tommy called the bird what?
Cuties.
Hi, cuties. Cuties. Itong asawa ko guys, ba loko-loko na guys. You're loko-lokohan.
Who's loco?
You. What do you want me to say?
Non-genomatiskit.
Nanjinemodiskit.
That.
Say it again.
Non-genomatiskit.
Nanjinemodiskit. Is that right? Nanjinemodiskit. Nanjinemodiskit. Nanjinemodiskit.
Let's do a commercial. It's a Triscuit commercial.
Nanjinemodiskit. 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 Ang dami naman dyan, Han. There's a lot already there. She's calling them like a freaking... Ang dami naman, Han. I like this one, but the wings. Where's the wings?
I broke off it.
Hmm?
I don't know. Probably garbage.
Yes. Hindi nakakain yung biyanan ko dito, guys, kasi nahihilo. Susuka-suka na doon sa sasakyan. So, punta na lang kami. Mag-drive ni Tami doon. Doon na lang siya pakainin ng paniud to. Han, is this your wire?
Yes.
Yeah, you take the Dramamine here on the top.
Yeah, but I can't take it without the...
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, here. Masakit daw tiyan niya, guys. May bangag pa naman yung ano niya. Yung tinain niya. Nandito siya eh. Bye-bye, Tamimoy. Guys, okay.
Be careful.
Yeah, I will. And yeah, I have to go. I'm sorry. I love you.
Love you too. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, let me know what's going on.
Yeah.
Take care ha, eat something. Alis na tayo guys. Kasi ano na guys, 5 o'clock. And wala pa tayo sa bahay. Yung aso, accidentally na yun, magwiwi at saka pipi. Magwiwi-wiwi. And din sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Okay? Mag-ano sa akin. Ala, patay, shit. Ay, nagka-sanitizer na akong bilat dire. Ay, giahak mo ni ay. Basa na noon eh. Sanitizer pa mo. Tanawa, nag-agas-agas. Nakaloka naman to. Hold on guys ha. Okay, si BIYENAN guys, na ano siya, na paglabas niya sa dialysis, okay yung pakiramdam niya, as in okay na okay siya. Wala siyang, ano, happy siya, yung nakalabas siya sa dialysis, sobrang happy niya, nakita niya si Tammy, yan. And then, yun, hindi na siya umiimik, nadidisi na pala siya. So, pagdating namin sa bahay, kinuha niya yung cellophane kasi may cellophane dyan sa door, sa passenger seat. Sa door, may cellophane yan, ziplock, para sa kanya talaga yun kapag nagsusuka siya, nasusuka. So, doon nag-start na sumusuka siya, and then hindi na siya tumatayo. And then after niyang sumuka, sabi namin, dito sumasakit na dito, yung sakit na ano dito niya, dito daw sakit. And so kayon, andun siya sa hospital, sa emergency, and maghintay ng 2 hours something para yung doktor paano siya MRI para makita kung anong nangyari sa tiyan niya, baka nag-expand or may nangyari something. Akala namin ni Tammy gas lang after na pagpunta namin sa hospital, kasi sabi niya, itangtangin mo yung bra, kunin mo yung bra. Sabi pa niya, MaryAnn, kunin mo yung pants. Sabi ko, hindi man yan makukuha, huwag kang maghuba dito. And ako, sabi ko ni Tammy, ano lang oras? Mga 5 na. Sabi ko kay Tammy, ano lang, oy, alis na lang ako kasi yung aso. Yung traffic guys, akala ko walang traffic 5 o'clock something to 6. Sus, mas grabe pa man day 18 itots. So akala ko walay, ang damay palay. Nag-drive ako ng 1 hour, pero hindi pa ako nasa gitna talaga. Malayo pa ako sa bahay. Sobrang traffic. Oh my god, para na kaming nagpa-parking. Ngayon, stop and then takbo na naman. Kaloka talaga to guys. Nasasakit na tong ulo ko. The excited puppy. The excited puppy. Alang kacang. Excited puppy. Excited. Come here. Come here. Aloy, majilos. Chilos. Aday. Hala, bagid pa more. Come here, bagid right here. Bagid, yeah, bagid. Hi, Mitch, bagid. Bagid, mama, bagid, ma. I don't understand, bagid. So, update. Katatapos lang namin nag-usap ni Tammy. Inano na yung biyanan ko. Dinala sa MRI. And hindi pa alam kung mag-stay siya doon sa hospital or ano. Ngayon, pakainin ko muna tong mga aso guys. Kasi gutom na sila guys. Saka pusa. Grabe, excited. Xeroxis Misty. Iin ko na tong video guys. Salamat guys sa inyo guys ha. Bukas punta tayo doon sa... Depende kung ano. Pero talagang pupunta ako doon kasi kailangan. Kasi let's go upstairs. Come here! Tigas ulo ha. Matigas talaga mga ulo nito. Kasi kailangan guys, kasi ano, yung si Tammy is trabaho, diba, Wednesday, and then kailangan kung andun sa Wednesday, kung andun siya sa hospital or hindi, kailangan kasi kung hindi siya sa hospital, dalhin ko siya dialysis, diba, and then yun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Salamat. Subscribe na po. And yun. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night guys.
So rockabye,